In the still waters of the Turks and Caicos salt flats, where the sky reflects perfectly across shallow pools, a delicate balance unfolds. This is where our story begins. Welcome to South Caicos. Once, this island thrived on salt. Vast salinas, shaped by human hands, still whisper the story of a bygone era. Today, a new transition is underway. Tourism is replacing industry. Yet beneath the surface, another world fights to endure. South Caicos, remote, yet home to one of the Caribbean's richest marine ecosystems. The Center for Marine Resource Studies was established to better understand and protect these fragile environments. Within its facilities, a dedicated coral laboratory allows scientists to study reef health and develop techniques to restore damaged ecosystems. Students are not only taught marine science, but also trained as divers, giving them direct access to the underwater world they study. Through research, education, and conservation, we train the next generation of ocean guardians. Each day, students and divers prepare to explore the unseen, trained both in science and in diving. Within seconds, the surface world disappears. Equipped with their new knowledge, they descend beneath the surface, not just as observers, but as active participants in the study of these ecosystems. As they reach their desired depth, the reef comes into view. Dense schools of snappers glide through the water, moving as one, shifting and turning in perfect unison. Their strength lies in their unity, but in the shadows, a predator rests, the nurse shark lying motionless on the seafloor. Unlike many shark species, which must keep moving to breathe, it is one of the few capable of remaining still. A visible tag on its dorsal fin marks its role in ongoing scientific research. Closely related to sharks, rays share many of the same evolutionary traits. Resting on the sandy seabed, a southern stingray lies almost perfectly still. Like the nurse shark, its gills gently pulse, drawing water in as it breathes. But with a sudden movement, it lifts from the sand, gliding effortlessly across the reef. Guided by instinct, it approaches a cleaning station. Here, bluehead wrasse get to work, removing parasites and dead skin. A delicate interaction, essential to the health of both species. Cleaning is a universal language of the reef. The underwater gardens of South Caicos host remarkable diversity. Delicate horseshoe worms extend their feather-like crowns, filtering the water with graceful precision. Nearby, flamingo-tongue snails trace vibrant patterns across the surface of sea fans. Gorgonians, soft corals, algae, all form living structures in constant motion. Together, these organisms create a landscape that is not only alive, but profoundly beautiful. Sponges, among the oldest living organisms in the ocean, display an extraordinary variety of shapes and colors. Up close, their intricate surfaces are constantly at work, filtering the surrounding water. But beyond their beauty, they also provide shelter. Some fish linger nearby, using the sponge as natural protection, shielding themselves from potential threats. A quiet presence emerges. A reef shark comes into view, moving slowly away. A male, patrolling the reef with measured precision. Aware of the divers, he keeps his distance, observing as much as he is being observed. Master of disguise, the Caribbean reef octopus. An octopus insularis, rarely seen, and even harder to follow. In an instant, it transforms its color, texture, and shape, blending seamlessly into its surroundings. It becomes almost impossible to detect. A perfect illusion, designed to deceive both predator and observer. Yet despite its abilities, much of its behavior remains a mystery. Here, ongoing research programs are beginning to reveal new insights, and in recent years, even new species have been observed. But as night falls, an entirely different world emerges. The students return to the water, piercing the darkness with beams of light. On the seafloor, a crab moves cautiously, feeding as it goes. Nearby, a sea cucumber drifts slowly across the sand, quietly recycling nutrients and sustaining the ecosystem. Under ultraviolet light, corals reveal a hidden world, their fluorescent colors glowing in the dark. By day, the same corals appear in their natural hues, reminding us that these are animals, not plants. Here at the nursery, students learn to grow and care for them, preparing fragments for replanting onto damaged reefs. It is strange to think of an animal being cultivated like a plant, yet this is exactly what science is making possible. Beyond restoration, research continues. New studies are underway, combining cameras and underwater microphones. These tools allow scientists to observe marine life in unprecedented ways, capturing behaviors and interactions often hidden to the naked eye. The insights gained today may reveal entirely new aspects of reef life and guide our understanding of these fragile ecosystems in the future. But not all changes are natural. The lionfish, an invasive predator, spreads rapidly across Caribbean reefs. With few natural enemies, it disrupts the fragile balance of these ecosystems. Controlled spearfishing becomes a necessary response, a direct action to protect native marine life. And sometimes, nature offers a quiet reward. A hawksbill turtle approaches without fear. A reminder of what is at stake. Transects, surveys of conch, turtles, ecological observations. At the surface, work continues. Human activities leave their mark, but students and scientists are learning to protect and restore. Here in South Caicos, A new generation rises. Between tradition and science, between development and conservation, the future of the ocean is being written.
Thank you.